Are you between 18 and 30 years old and want to visit Australia for a long holiday while working? The Work and Holiday Visa subclass 462 can make this dream come true. This visa allows you to stay in Australia for up to 12 months. You can work to support your travels while enjoying the beautiful country. In this video, we will explain how to apply, the cost, requirements, and the special steps for China, India, and Vietnam. Let's get started.
The Work and Holiday Visa is perfect if you want to work and travel in Australia. You can stay for 12 months and work in any kind of job, like in cafe, on a farm, or in a construction. But remember, you need a passport from the eligible country. And if you are from China, India, or Vietnam, you will have an extra step. We will explain that soon.
Here's what you need to apply for this visa. You must be between 18 and 30 years old. You can't bring any children with you. And you need a passport from eligible country. You can apply online through Australian immigration website. Make sure you enter your location correctly, as mistake could delay your application.
If you are from China, India, or Vietnam, the process is a bit different. You first need to enter a pre-application process called a ballot. It's like a lottery. You need to be selected in the ballot before you can apply for a visa. Keep checking for the next ballot date so you don't miss out. This visa allows you to stay in Australia for 12 months, and the cost for the application is Australian $650. That covers your entire stay. But remember, the processing time may vary, so it's best not to book any flights until you have the official visa grant letter in your inbox.
If you want to stay longer, you can apply for a second work and holiday visa after completing 3 months of specific work, like farm or construction work. And yes, there is even a third work and holiday visa, but for that, you need to complete 6 months of specific work during your second stay.
Here's some tips. Make sure your passport is from eligible country. Fill out your location carefully and remember to enter the ballot if you are from China, India, or Vietnam. That's it. The Work and Holiday Visa gives you chance to explore Australia while earning money. Ready to apply? Start your journey today.
At Holo Education Services, we are not just here to share your information. We are here to help you achieve your dreams, whether it's getting the right visa or turning your skills into qualification. We are with you every step of the way.
We believe that everyone deserves a chance for a better future, no matter where they come from. That's why we create these videos, to guide and support you through every step of process.
At Holo Education Services, we specialize in helping you get RPL-based certificates quickly, without extra study or exams. Whether you are looking for a certificate in healthcare, trades, or hospitality, we have got you covered. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.